This is our project 7. It's a temperature alarm. Temperature alarm means nothing. There will be a sensor, and the sensor will detect the temperature. After certain temperature, the alarm will be ringing, and below this temperature, the alarm will be stopped. So this is the circuit we can see here. As per the circuit diagram, we have made the circuit with the Arduino, with the help of the Arduino board. This is a LM35. It's a temperature sensor, and it's a buzzer. This is the temperature sensor you can see here, and this is a buzzer. As per the circuit diagram, we have made the connection. Now we will be seeing the program. So this is the program you can see here. Now we will check the program is correct or not. Yes, the program is correct. Now we will upload to this board, and for this we require a serial monitor system. Serial monitor is nothing but to check the values of the temperature. From there we can go to the tools. We can go to the tools here, and from tools we can go to the serial monitor here. See, default value is coming, so we can here we can clear the output. This should be both NLNs here, and we have to set this baud to 9600. That's it. Now we can see this thing. So first, for this thing I have to upload this to the board. I have uploaded. See the monitor, and see this temperature is 27 degrees centigrade, so the alarm is ringing. As soon as the temperature goes down of the 27 degrees centigrade, the alarm stops. Now if I touch my hand here, the temperature is little bit increasing, and this point decimal also it is clicking. See here. Now the temperature is 27 degrees centigrade. See, now temperature is 26 degrees centigrade, so the alarm stopped. That's it. Thank you.